Previously, on our first ever sailing series, we boarded Naughty Dogs and joined YouTubers Sailing Doodles on our first ever sailing experience. For our first sail, we crossed the Mona Passage from Dominican Republic to Puerto Rico, and we were in luck. It was whale season. We didn't get off to a great start with Puerto Rico as we hit an $1,100 fine for having the wrong visa, but stunning Puerto Rico really is making up for it now. Make sure to catch up with the sailing series right from the beginning, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button as it really helps our channel. Okay, we're about to pull up to the fuel dock. It's right on this end here. We need to pull up behind a cat, but it's actually blowing 25 knots right now. It's going to be a tricky one getting in there smoothly.
Alright, that was easy enough. Bobby did a great job. Taylor also. $46, $48, 50 gallons. Okay, we're going for 80 gallons total, so we're going to put 30 gallons on the other side.
Okay, so we are full up and they don't have any slips for us, which means like parking spaces in the marina. So out there, I don't know if you can see behind me, there's a mooring. Which is basically like a bowl where you can attach to, so that's what we're going to try and do. We've never done this before, so exciting times.
Okay, so we're officially in Ponce.
Yes.
Ponce. And Theodore's going to get some finest facts for you guys because we don't know too much about it, but we do know it's like the biggest coastal town on the south coast.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to go to the supermarket and get some groceries. And I've got to say, this is one of my favourite parts of sailing is like getting fresh stock of food, right? Getting snacks and stuff.
Taylor and I are depleted on takis.
Yes.
We need to restock.
Yes.
Also, we got good Wi-Fi in the marina. Like it's unlocked, so we can watch Netflix and whatever.
And
so
YouTube.
we might have a movie night. So we might really need to stock up on takis.
Yeah.
And what else did we say?
Popcorn.
Oh my God! They got this popcorn.
Oh,
Taylor found
it's
it.
killer. Like caramel popcorn mixed with cheddar popcorn.
Taylor has just started her YouTube channel, Taylor's Travels, so make sure to check it out.
Oh, it's to die for. I almost made myself sick eating half a bag.
It's
Yeah,
so good.
the problem is, guys, she eats half a bag when we could do a bag each and not be a problem.
That's, like these people really just like they have a bite and then they wrap it up, put it back in the cup. Graham and I would have 3 bags and be gone.
I wouldn't buy it at all if I don't. I'm like, no. I'll eat whatever junk food's in front of me. If there's no junk food, I don't eat it, so I just don't buy it.
Who pays for it?
Well, I'm technically, yeah.
Oh.
You could just
Let's head out.
refuse.
Got rid of our trash. We're good to go. We're gonna get an Uber to get into town. Can I just say, babe, you literally look like you just come straight out of a Ralph Lauren ad.
I've had these boat shoes for like 5 years, and I thought this time I'm bringing them. I'm gonna wear them.
Wow.
But this is a beautiful place, isn't it? Like amazing. Okay, so we are here at a mall and Theodora is very happy because they have Macy's, they have Sizzlers, we get quite excited when we come to American malls because we're not often here, so it's quite the outing for us. But if you're American, it's probably quite normal for you guys, but for us, it's definitely an adventure.
Okay, we're in the, what do you call this? Food court. And there's a lot of options. We've got Chinese, babe. Hot potato hot.
Pizza.
Are you gonna Subway? Are you Subway in it, babe?
Yeah, Subway.
I'll have a quick look to see what else. Pollo means chicken. I want a taco salad. I'm gonna have a taco salad, yeah.
Keep it real Puerto Rican.
Yeah.
What you gotta get?
It's gone.
We already
Subway.
nothing. We're already gone.
Already
Go
gone.
on.
Hide the evidence.
Supermarket shopping.
Supermarket shopping. This is Pueblo. Caramel and cheddar mix. We gotta
If you
do
haven't
it.
tried this, guys.
You got to try this. 1 or 2?
2.
Don't know how that got there.
My problem with the supermarkets over here is that they don't sell baked beans. It's a little bit worrying, really, because we're going to be in the US for a while. If we haven't got baked beans, we're going to have major issues. Major issues.
Tiniest Uber, and we've got 2 grocery carts full of groceries. So we'll see how we can pack it in.
Guys,
Oh my God.
can you get the Coke? I don't know how we did it, but
We're in.
We
I can tell it's
smashed
just
it
gone
all
like
in.
this.
All right, did we manage to get it back?
Yes, but it's a bit of a war zone in the galley.
The
So
organization
just
department.
cut Taylor some slack, babe. Back off is what we're saying.
You're doing a great job, Taylor.
Thank you. It's a real science.
I just stay out of the way when she starts working.
Yeah.
Convenient.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey,
Good idea.
it's better that way.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, guys, we have been invited by. If you'd watched a few videos back, we when we entered Puerto Rico, we went to Puerto Rico, the marina there, and the owner there, called Jose, has invited us to dinner tonight with his family here in Ponce. So we got the sunset, which is amazing, and we're just getting on the boat now, and we're heading over there, and he's going to pick us up. So, babe, hurry up, get your shoes on, let's go. Wow, the sunset right now with the palm trees is amazing. How great is that sunset?
Incredible. The whole sky is like pink. Puerto Rico has the best sunsets.
Okay, so we've come a little bit into the mountains, and this is the first time that Jose has been here.
El
Our ranchos. So yeah, proper Puerto Rican food. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be interesting. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too. It looks authentic. Buy some Texas boots, cowboy boots.
Try them on.
I know.
Are you ready, guys?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Wow. Keep going. Almost home. Feeling like a true sailing doodle?
Yeah, working out doodles.
For these 3 minutes, you can eat all the tackies you want.
Okay, motivation.
Yeah? Motivation.
Deal.
Yeah? You ready for it? Give me a high five. Gonna smash this up. If you're not sick at the end of this, then we're gonna go for another 3 minutes. "40 minutes, guys, that's all it took."
Graham's a good trainer.
Feel good?
Yeah. I'm excited for yoga though.
Yeah, 20 minutes yoga.
Whenever you're putting lines on a winch, you always go clockwise.
Okay.
Right? And that's just the way the lines go on there. And
He's got a little hammock at the back of the boat.
yeah, right?
Right?
The dinghy's got good luck.
Yeah, look at him. He's just...
Dinghy got a name?
You know what? We don't have a name for it. We need to. We should name it. Like I know a guy named his like he named the boat Dances with Dragon. He named his dinghy Leaps with Lizards. So it needs to be something. You know, this is Naughty Dogs. This needs to be like the
Naughty Puppy?
Yeah, the Poopy Puppy or something. I don't know. So leave a comment on what you think we should name the dinghy down below.
So today we are headed off to Coffin Island, the mysterious island just off the coast
Full
of
of dead
Ponce, full of lots of stuff. But you're gonna have to check into the next video, guys, if you want to see what is happening on the island. It's gonna be interesting to say the least. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Sailing Doodles, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you all next week. And of course, special thanks to our patrons that help and make this channel possible.